Ganun. Wearing a boots, shades, and denim, the undying denim. Ha? Balagagin pa yung ni Fernando ko kada Lito Lapid, DJ 9 days. Okay. Next, mo lang. Mijiro. Alright. Hindi ka nagatay ni FPJ. Nung malagagip yun, ako muna ganda. Oh. Pak. Oh. Alright. Okay, the next contestant. Wow. Siyempre guys, the audience impact natin ha. Projection na. In style. Sige. Papas yun. Alright. Again, while waiting, DJ authenticity, awesome, creativity, originality, style, accessories, and of course, appeal. Dapat kita nilita mga Mother Earth. Yan. Okay. Next mga contestant tayo, medyo narigan sa tag-judge. Alright. Oh. 60s akin, 60s. Okay tayo, i-style nyo. Maripirit-pirit nyo na pass tayo. Sige. Laban nyo na ito. Yes. Next. Fighting. Boys, take a boys. Junior. Okay, start tayo ba na DJ Girls? Oh, back ang ating Madam Julian. Of course, again, authenticity, creativity, original style. Siyempre, kita nyo lagi dyan I'm sure naaalala ng mga mother natin yung mga kadalagaan days. Alright, next. From 1980s. Mga kanyan. Checkered era. And mga updo. High hair updos. Next. Alright, yung mga bell bottoms natin. Yung mga hippie-hippie. Mga flower power. 1960s. Mga mid-rib. Hindi pa crop top ang tawag dyan. Mid-rib. And straight hair, super skinny, and super bell bottom. Okay. Alright. Nakita niyo maalala yung naging Bee Gees tugtugan. Alright. Next month, Katni. Alright. Mga 80s na ito yan. Gusto din yung Touch by Touch. Touch by Touch and Do It, Mr. Do It. Alright. Alright, sino ba? Alright, ito din medyo super neon. Pinalawagan kibado. Alright, picture. Alright, picture na wait today. Alright. Alright. Okay, medyo ada tayo di irang okay, kaya pa di 1950s to 60s. Dito pa. Sige ba? Sige, dito di medyo pag ano tayo. Gumerepa pips tayo di 1980s. Kumita ko tayo, si Chur. Wait lang, isa pa. Picture mo Picturean lang natin si GC. Arwin. Arwin, ay ano, Arwin. Okay na, Arwin eh.
Ang dami ang kan.
Ilan mo nga? Awan film nan. Agoy ka. Okay sa. Oh. Oh. Winang. Wala na si Winang? Ayan oh. 1960s. Oh. Medyo oldies tayo. Oh. Community style in 1960s. Alright. Awan na 15 to 45 years old. Sila naman na Julian. Siyempre, ilaman sa tibagit.
Ay!
Okay, now let's welcome our sexy, gorgeous birthday celebrant also. No matter what, the 16 years old. Mara G! Welcome our celebrant. And now let's call on our youngest of everyone. 45 and above. Okay, 45 years old and above for our adult, for our mamacitas. Alright. Okay. Ginaganyan lang tayo. Wala na. Uwi na. Okay. DJ was my son. Okay, may sabay.
Nakakit ba siya?
Nandiyan na si mama. Ayan na siya! Alright. Okay. May salamat. Hey! Picture natin. Alright.
Wait lang! Dalawa kasing galaw eh.
Okay, next. From Poldo! From Poldo! From Poldo! Poldo! Oh, wala lang. Wala ka dancing. Okay, next month. Hindi pa kami. Ay, ni Margie. Ano, nakaba ko. Kasali ka pa ba?
Okay, our judges.
Alright. Ako rin ang groupie pa DJ. Boys, mga. Ay, sige. Mag-entrance muna, Celebrants! Let's welcome the gorgeous and sexy birthday celebrant, no other than Margie Dumagin!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Okay, a groupie DJ boys from 15 to, 16 to 45 years old. Groupie kayo guys. Groupie. Boys muna tatay ka siya lawak na ulit yung garden tayo. Okay, boys. Oh, boys. Mga judges. Mga judgmental. It's your time to check their outfit from head to toe. At the same time, the projection, the feels, the vibe, the originality. The era.
Face to your left.
Alright, nagitay girls. Majol, picture lang. For the picture lang, guys. For the picture lang.
Isa pa guys.
Oh, ano na yun?
Mamaya na lang daw pag teach outfit na.
Okay, game. For the girls mo, nagitay girls. Hintayan girls. For the picture lang, girls.
Dara!
16 to 45 years old. Walang... Okay lang.
Disclaimer na yung kasala ang dalawang ito. Sino ka naman dyan? Senior na kami. Kasya ba kami?
Or mga seniors? Mga seniors, sige namin na kasya kayo mag-frame. Alright, go. Mga bagets. Uncle Holds.